Hello gents, welcome to Nishan CAD/CAM online tutorials. In this video, I'm going to model this table using Weldments features. I will continue to use this 3D sketch that I created in my previous tutorial. Watch that video to see how this is created. Now that I have already opened the 3D sketch, go ahead and select Structural Member command under Weldments Command Manager. Click on Weldments Command Manager and click on Structural Member command. Now from this Structural Member Property Manager, select the standard of the profile that we are going to use. I will select ISO and select the type of the profile that you are going to use. I will select square tube, and the size I can either use 40 by 40. I will use 80 by 80 by 5 mm wall thickness. Now select the top 4 segments of the table. You can see the preview is generating while you are selecting each segment. Now 4 members are added to the table. Click on New Group. New group is added and select these 4 vertical legs and click on New Group again. Group 3 is added. Select these 2 cross members. Click on New Group again. Select these 2 horizontal members. Note that we cannot add all the segments to the same group. Segments have to either be parallel to each other or they have to be contiguous to add them to the same group. So in order to create this frame in this order, we need to have 4 groups. Preview looks good and check each connection. Look at each joints to see if they are trimmed as required. The top frame has meter joint. They have meter joint, and the other joints looks correct. And now click OK to accept the frame. Press Ctrl 7 to have isometric view. Right click on the 3D sketch and hide the sketch, and that's all. And you can go and edit material and select stainless steel and apply and close. Material is applied, and finally save the part. If you find this video useful, please hit like. Subscribe this channel to watch SOLIDWORKS and other 3D modeling software tutorials. Hope to see you soon with another useful lesson, and until then, take care everyone.